Hi everyone. I'm sure many of you have at least one friend or a family member who is always taking charge and keeping everyone on track. You know that one friend who is always planning the group outings, organizing the parties, and making sure everyone is on the same page. Do you have someone with these traits in your life? Someone who is always pushing you to be more productive, more efficient, and more driven? Welcome back to Connect Within TV. Let's talk about the ESTJs in our lives and what makes them tick. ESTJ stands for extroverted, sensing, thinking, judging. They are very organized, bossy, and always right, at least in their own minds. So behave, follow the rules, and above all, be on time or be prepared to face their anger. In a friends group, they are the ones who is always planning the gatherings, sending out reminders to make sure everyone knows what's going on. They are reliable, practical, and fun with a pinch of attitude for those who cannot keep time. They keep the friend group running smoothly with a mix of dependability, humor, and gentle nudges to stay on schedule. The people who know them call them as the self-appointed referees of life, keeping everything in check and everyone in line. Break the rules and they will be on your case faster than you can say penalty. ESTJs are known for their practical approach. They excel as leaders by utilizing their organizational abilities to foster stability and achieve success. They are the ultimate decision-making machines. They are quick, decisive, and can make a plan in the blink of an eye. Blink and you will miss their 5-year plan, complete with color-coded spreadsheet and a backup plan. Their naturally outgoing and action-oriented personality makes them fearless. They confidently take control and make tough decisions when situation demands it. They will make a decision and then expect everyone else to follow along. No fuss, no muss. ESTJs tend to be assertive, results-driven, and willing to make tough decisions to achieve their goals. They love being in charge and having control over their environment. Don't worry, they will take care of everything, whether you want them to or not. They tend to be very self-assured and action-oriented. When they see something that's not being done correctly according to their high standards, they will often jump into the situation to take charge and fix it. It is like, you are doing it wrong, let me fix it. This can sometimes come across as a bit bossy or critical, but hey, they're just trying to get things done efficiently. They are perceived as very straightforward and they are not afraid to share their opinions, whether you ask them or not. They believe they are helping you see things from a different angle and avoid potential failures. Love tradition and routine. They will clinch towards familiar and comfortable even if it is not the most exciting thing in the world. ESTJs take relationships seriously and expect a high level of commitment from their partner. They value structure and predictability in their relationships, which can provide a sense of comfort and stability. However, they can sometimes try to control things too much, which can be suffocating for their partner. They might have a tough exterior, but deep down they are softies with a great sense of humor. They love to poke fun and do silly conversations with their close friends in a light-hearted way. ESTJs are born managers. They excel in roles like CEO, COO, or department head where they can oversee operations and make tough decisions. They are also great at managing people and processes, which make them perfect for roles like HR managers, politicians, or recruiters. With their strong sense of duty, discipline, and leadership abilities, they often thrive in careers like law enforcement, military service, or investigation work. ESTJs tend to focus on logic and facts, but neglecting emotions can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts. For them to grow fully, they need to practice empathy, active listening, and self-awareness. They also need to practice delegating tasks, trusting others, and letting go of control when necessary. It is essential for ESTJs to strike a balance between their desire for structure and control. So, if you are an ESTJ, you are a triple threat: organized, motivated, and entertaining. And if you are friend with a one, count yourself lucky. They will whip your life into shape and make you laugh along the way. And that concludes my discussion on ESTJ personality type. Did that resonate with you? Can you think of an ESTJ who's really inspired you? Share your story in the comments below or share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your story can change lives. Subscribe to Connect Within TV and start your journey towards a more self-aware, empowered, and mentally liberal you.